morning.
Morning, guys.
Okay, so it is day 12 and it is Thursday the 19th of May. We're just heading out now to Animal Kingdom. We believe it's going to be about 94 today, so it's going to be a warm one, but we're not there for long, and we're going to do we've got well, we're going to get a DAS pass for Flight of Passage, then probably come out. Not sure what the plans are from there, so we're going to head off now. Love it or loathe it? Which one are you? The most sadistic button in Disney. Gotta press it. Yeah, that button should actually come with an evil laugh. Every time you press it, you get a Just got off Kilimanjaro Safaris. Top tip, guys, if you go in on that, try and get on the left hand side. You see much more animals, very little on the right hand side. I could watch these little guys all day. He's so cute. Mice babies. Oh.
There's a snake here, Kim.
Snakes? Snakes? I don't know no snakes. Are they alive?
Yeah, they just don't, obviously that just sits in the sun and doesn't move much, does it, till it comes to eating or anything like that. So we've just come to ride Flight of Passage. We've got a lightning lane, only this is the queue. This is the line, the lightning lane. So the majority of these people have paid for this ride, or they've got a DAS pass. But this line goes all the way back here, and this is the end.
What? It's not a tree.
Not a chance am I getting in that in 95-degree heat. So we're going to leave, we're going to go head to Riviera. Coffee and cake time and a bit of pool time for Mr. Jim.
Yep.
Fantastic.
So we're back at the pretty place because I left something here. My heart. James has just put his finger to his mouth as if he's been sick. Rude, just rude. I'll never get tired of this smell. It's so nice. Okay. Let's have a look in Le Petit Café. Let's see what they have. Raspberry mocha latte. Yeah. And yeah, one of I'll have that lemon cheesecake.
Lemon cheesecake.
Yeah.
Oh, what can we get for you guys? Ice vanilla.
Yeah, we're now.
So we found our way to the Le Petit Café and we have ordered a lemon cheesecake, a fruit tart and 2 raspberry mocha lattes, which look like this. So that is raspberry mocha latte. That is your lemon cheesecake, and that is the fruit flan. Got to be honest, they look way too nice to eat, but I will. This is a one bed. This is just a studio. This is a studio, and this is studio in the Riviera. So we had the tower studio last week, which is slightly smaller, and this is obviously bigger. We've got the shower just as it was last week, toilet area, and we do have a bath in this one, and I love these lights. So coming out of here we've got, this is just your walking area, so you'd come from this door, so you've got a little ledge there, you've got your trash, that was the closet, and then walking through here you've got, this is what I missed last week, just a space to be able to do your coffee in the morning and that sort of thing, and just some sort of cupboard space. It was a bit compact and bijou, let's just say. So then you've got your pull out, which we wouldn't use because there's just 2 of us, and you've got your Murphy bed there. Their artwork's amazing, beautiful that. Yeah, that's really nice, I like that. But obviously that would be a sofa when that was up. So you've just got you'd have the bed and then an area here. And then you've got table, 2 chairs, and obviously a bigger balcony than what we had in the studio, the tower studio. And there's your Skyliner. Yeah. I love it here. I just love it. And we are 90 degrees today. 90 degrees. Hot, hot, hot. Yeah. But stunning this is, and I think I need to work my magic on Mr. Jim. What do you think, guys?
It looks like your guide is Jason Kahn.
Just got off this Skyliner. Now we're at, just got off at Epcot, so heading over to the boardwalk. A bit of pool time. Just met a lovely couple from Chicago, talking to them on the Skyliner, and they'd got a golden doodle, which made me miss Banjo, so we've just had to FaceTime the dog, as you do. Mr. Jim will be glad to get in that pool, no doubt.
I will actually. Didn't get to go in yesterday, so yeah, a good swim, relax for an hour.
Yeah, so I'll be fine in the shade with my book, chilling out. So James has gone in the pool and I'm just going to head into Boardwalk Hotel, and just an hour on my own. Did you enjoy your pool time?
Yeah, it was relaxing. It wasn't noisy at all. We'd gone to one of them quiet pools. Really good.
And I had a long chat to Ashby, which was nice. Checked in to see if all my plants are alive. They're all looking well, or that's what she's telling me anyway. We're just gonna have a look over at Yacht and Beach Club. Not been in their shops over there yet. I love the Yacht Club. So nice. And just like that, we're in the beach club. Another stunning resort. Love to stay here as well. It's just so easy to walk into those parks. Spot the hidden Mickey. Quick change. Back at the hotel. I'm going out to dine. Check us out, eh?
Well, yeah. Not that we haven't eaten most nights, but it's just a case of...
it's the later one, isn't it?
It's a later one, yeah.
Shock horror, but we did have Ohana's booked. And we cancelled. Yeah, I can hear you all screaming, you did what? We couldn't get anything later than, what was it 5:30?
5:30, yeah.
We felt it were a little bit early for us.
Yeah.
Plus we knew the sort of this second week that our mornings get later. They're not early mornings. So it was going to be that we had a late morning, so late breakfast, and then dine at 5:30. 5:30 for us were just a little bit too, early. So we had a chat and we decided to let it go. Which is a shame, but we'd also seen a few negative reviews on YouTube back home, so it were always a bit sort of in question. And I know everywhere gets negative reviews, I know that, and I know that they have more positive reviews than they do negative, but because it was going to be too early for us as well, we decided that it wasn't going to work for us. Yeah. So we had a look about and we had to see what was available, and we just so happened that last week we passed Sebastian's Bistro while we were at the Riviera, and we had to walk over to Caribbean Beach. So we had a look at that menu, and it's family style, so pretty much same as Ohana's in the way that they serve. Family style. So we thought, do you know what? Let's give it a try. We saw Josh and Taylor there last week, the Walt Disney World couple. So if they're trying it, then I don't know. I've not seen the review, so they might have completely tore it to bits. I'm not sure. So
So we're just waiting for, we're just at the bus stop now at Animal Kingdom Lodge, waiting for a bus. Not sure where we're going to go to first, because obviously then we've got to go to a park to then get to the resort. So it could be another planes, trains and automobile situation. Animal Kingdom won, but we are king of the bus.
Right over here for $10.
Great, thank you. Wow. Really beautiful in here. It's not very big, is it? I expected it to be a lot bigger. Is it? Right.
It's like an L shape.
So that looks a bit different. What is it?
It's like a Del Boy special.
Where's your umbrella?
It's actually a peach coma, which is an non-alcoholic specialty drink, which is a mixture of different fruit juices, orange, lemon and peach, and topped up with soda water.
And you know me guys, all rock and roll. However, they did bring the coffee mate. Hazelnut. Yeah. How different. So the breads have just come and the salad. Salad looks awesome. The breads come with, I think that's the guava butter.
It's guava butter and caramelised onion jam.
Yeah.
And the plate is on fire.
It's red hot. And this salad is?
It's called Spice Necklace Salad.
It's called?
The Spice Necklace Salad.
Right.
Which, according to the thing, it says mixed greens, toasted pumpkin seeds, grilled pineapple, orange, spiced walnuts, and radish and key lime dressing.
Interesting. Let's see what it tastes like. So these bread rolls, amazing. They had a natural break in them, so you didn't have to equate it with an egg. Guava butter was really, really nice. You've got that sweet taste, but not overpowering. And this caramelised onion jam is something else. That sweetness is like that onion marmalade type of thing. Plenty of onions in it, really flavourful, but not overpowering. Really nice. So this salad, absolutely amazing. It's absolutely phenomenal. I love salads. We love salads at home. And I will put in raspberries, strawberries, peaches, nectarines, oranges, grapes. I've put all sorts in it. And I have been known to make my own candied walnuts as well. So absolutely love salad. It's another level. It's just another level. I was expecting, well, I don't know what I was expecting with that radish side of things. I can't really taste it. You can taste more of the key lime. It's more of a bite to it. The flour is literally just there for visual effect. It has no taste, James. But this, with the grilled pineapple in, absolutely love it. Also, just sat here, the Epcot fireworks have just started, so bonus.
If you're on the other side of the L shape, you might not get the view. But you can see it now.
I don't know if you can see that, guys. Right, let's do it up again. Yeah, you've got them. What have you? So the mains come out. What do we have here?
Well, it's called the Taste of the Caribbean. So we have oven roasted citrus chicken.
Okay.
Slow cooked mojo pork with mango sabala.
Yeah.
And then grilled flank steak with mojito relish. just underneath it.
Yeah.
And then it comes with the sides are cilantro, rice and beans.
So coriander, guys.
And vegetable curry and grilled broccolini.
Fabulous. It all looks absolutely gorgeous. I want to go to the Caribbean.
Again.
Wow. The cilantro, rice and beans, coriander was just lovely. It was something so simple, and yeah, it was just so tasty, and I'll definitely be recreating that one again. The broccolini, the vegetable curry had a bit of kick to it. Not too much though, I could eat it. I wouldn't have a lot of it, but it was nice. It just got that bit of spice to it. Chicken, really seasoned well. The pulled pork with the mango, just lovely. Really well put together. Yeah, and the beef was just cooked to perfection. Yeah, so nice, just so nice. I can't fault it at all.
Well, there's not left anything.
There is nothing left. For anybody that is vegan, we do a vegan option as well. Just reading it from here, it is Flavored Caribbean Impossible Kebab, fried jerk tofu, impossible sausage served with cilantro rice and red beans, that's what we've just had, the vegetable curry and the grilled broccolini. So pretty much the 3 dishes that we had, and then 3 plant-based ones. The desserts come. Oh my god. Just have a look.
I'm just going to get the exact.
So you've got the pineapple bread pudding.
Pineapple coconut bread.
Pineapple coconut bread pudding.
Yeah.
So this is very similar to Ohana's, isn't it?
Yeah, looks very similar.
That is huge. I was trying to figure out the best word for it, but it's actually elusive. That's the word, elusive. So, did we enjoy the pineapple coconut bread pudding with caramel sauce and vanilla ice cream? Nope. Absolutely hated it. And as they say, the proof is in the pudding. Literally, absolutely gorgeous. A very good likeness for Ohana's dessert. Am I glad that we cancelled Ohana's? You bet you. We'll be back here, definitely. I think we might have just found the new Ohana's.
Yeah, I would certainly agree with that.
And price-wise,
They say it's like $20 each cheaper.
$20 each cheaper than Ohana's. Only difference is that you've not got the fireworks music piped in from the Magic Kingdom. You could see fireworks. It's not something that I'd book Ohana's for. No, I think
We'll be coming back.
we'll be
Definitely.
coming back.
We'll be coming back.
Yeah, it's been a winner, $59, and that's with the discount.
After the discount.
Yeah, after discount, so $59, $60. This place is just underrated. So we've just been sat here talking and realised that Mr. Jim hasn't done a fun fact of the day. What's going on? Let's change it.
So we did Animal Kingdom. So we'll give you a quick one on Animal Kingdom. So Everest in Animal Kingdom is actually the highest mountain in Walt Disney World, higher than Splash Mountain Big Thunder. It stands at 199 feet tall. If it had reached 200, then we would have had to put a flashing light on the top of it. So hence it only stopping at 199.
So the flashing light would have been for aircraft coming in?
Aircraft coming in, yeah. So once you get up 200 feet over, you have to have a flashing red light on. So
what a day. Finished up back at the Riviera. Did a little tour of the studio. Fell in love all over again. Cancelled our Hannah's, as we said. Glad we did.
yeah,
Can't say enough about that place. Sebastian's Bistro. Can't say enough about it. Absolutely gorgeous. Didn't know what to expect. For the price, it's just outstanding. Just outstanding. Busy day tomorrow. Don't know if we're going to get to see the fireworks, just because we've left it until the last night, not intentional, and we're due a storm tomorrow, so we might not get to see it. So busy day because we've got to pack. I hate the last day. I really do.
I think most people
feel
the same.
It's normal, I suppose. Don't mean to say I have to accept it.
Of course.
Yeah, so I think Magic Kingdom tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Maybe a trip into Grand Floridian potentially.
Yeah, just to have a look at their refurbed.
Yeah, it's new. They're building some new ones, aren't
The
they?
new ones,
The
yeah.
new ones
So we'll just go and have a look over there. No pressure. Busy old day. Full of new things.
Yeah.
So we'll see you tomorrow. Please like and subscribe. Ring the bell. Did you catch the movie line today? So we'll see you tomorrow. Please don't send them movie lines in, and we'll let you know what to do with them when we get home, which won't be long. And we'll see you tomorrow. Take care.